Hello everyone, we are professional machine supply for drawing and polishing machine. Our machine can be applied in various product drawing and polishing. For example, ice cream stick, tongue depressor stick, disposable wooden spoon, fork, and knife product. These polishing machines are ready for export. We will take detailed record before machine delivery. For steam boiler, heat exchanger, polishing machine, draught fan are working together. After the sticks are well dried and polished, you can connect the polishing machine with stick order arranging machine. This is our polishing machine photos. It has automatic unloading function. The drum length is about 4 meters. It has a frequency controller. It is double layers in structure. Our machines are exported to many countries. This is machine in working. If you wish to know more information about this machine, don't hesitate to contact us by email or by WhatsApp. We are looking forward to hearing from you. For detailed project proposal and price list, welcome to contact us by email or by WhatsApp. This number is our WhatsApp number. Welcome to add our WeChat. We are looking forward to hearing from you. BESTA Machine China insists high-quality machine and professional service. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Wishing you a great success in this project.